of class 9. Student, today we will understand next session 2, user experience from unit 2nd, mastering typing. The children, as we know, typing is a skill that is used in many career paths. So improving your speed might be a necessity if you want to be more proficient in your job. Increasing your typing speed or learning is something that you can do on your own or with proper training. But whatever you decide, you must be committed to practicing every day if you want to improve your typing skill. The student, as if you want to improve the typing skill as like a typewriter, so we can find here the such a basic rules for typing by the keyboard. As we find keyboard that we are the comfortable with, keyboards come in different shapes including ergonomic models that may we feel more comfortable while you are typing. If you are not typing effectively with your current keyboard, you may want to test some ergonomic keyboards to find one that's offer more comfort while you are working. So here as some points to remember for learning the typing as a touch, as a here screen also available, as a now manual as available. But before the typing, we should understand about it, the size of the keys in mind. The larger they are, the easier it will be typed. That means you may want to look for a keyboard where the keys that you use most often, such as the letters and numbers, are larger than other keys. Keyboard with concave keys that fit the shape of your fingers is a good option if you are looking to eliminate errors in your typing as you try to increase your speed. It is the best to choose a keyboard with the keys that have the strong tactical feedback, which means they are offer enough the resistance to alert you that the stroke has registered. The resistance also keeps you from the accidentally hitting keys as you are typing, so you can type more quickly. Familiarize yourself with the keyboard. You can say, while most keyboard have the fairly standard setup, some may have the different features or different layouts. Make sure to read the instructions or manual that comes with your keyboard, so you know what all of the keys do and what shortcuts may be useful to you. Once you understand what all of the keys do, try to create a visual layout of the keyboard in your mind that you can call upon when you are typing. Many keyboards are equipped with the time-saving keys that provide the shortcuts for the common command for the keystrokes. Be sure to read up on your keyboard shortcuts to help increase your as a speed and typing. Arrange your fingers properly. The most important step to improving your speed and typing on the keyboard is ensuring that you place your fingers correctly on the keyboard. Rest the index finger of your left hand on the F key and the index finger of your right hand on the J key. These two keys usually have slight bumps on their surface, so you can feel for them without actually looking at the keyboard. The other three fingers on your left hand should rest on A, S, and D keys, while the other three fingers on your right hand should rest on the K, L, and as a semicolon keys. Place your thumbs on the space bar. The row with the A, S, D, F, J, K, L you can see on the screen is known as the home run because it's the row that your fingers always start at the return to while you're typing. When you arrange your finger on the keyboard, curve them slightly, but keep your hand relaxed. Make sure that your keyboard is centered directly in the front of your body. Use the proper fingers to strike the other keys. When you are typing, you will hit all of the keys on your keyboard from the home position. That means certain fingers are designated to strike certain keys for the most efficient typing. In most cases, you will use the same fingers from the home row to hit the keys that line up in the rows above and the below. The children here as such a QWERTY keys. So first we know about here key strike 1, 2 and Q and Z keys in the additions to the A key with your left pinky, and strike 3 W and X keys in the addition to the S keys with your left ring finger. Strike the 4 E and C keys in the addition to the D key with your left middle finger. You can see on the screen. Strike the 5, 6 R, T, G, V and B keys in addition to the F key with your left index finger. Strike 7 Y, U, H, N and M keys in additions to the J key with your right index finger. Strike 8 I and comma keys in additions to the K with your right middle finger. Strike the 9 O and full stop keys in the additions to the L key with your right ring finger. Strike as a 0, minus, equal sign, P, big bracket, open, big bracket, close and / keys in the additions to the key with your right pinky key. So here are some as a hit the shift key with the pinky on the opposite hand from the finger that you are using the strike on the other key. Hit the space with whichever thumb feels most comfortable to you. Children, we can talk about here the practice as the most skills. The only way to truly improve your typing speed is to practice on the regular basis. The more that you type, the more comfortable you will become with the layout of the keyboard and the proper positioning of your finger. You'll also develop muscles memory when you are the typing common letter combinations, so your typing will become faster and more accurate. One of the best ways to practice is to repeatedly type sample passages over and over again. You can find plenty of the passages online that are geared toward improving your typing accuracy and speed. So whenever you're practicing, focus on accuracy first. Make sure that you are the typing each word correctly and achieving proper spacing and punctuations. Once you feel like your typing has become accurate, you can work on improving your speed. Practice doesn't just mean taking online typing test. Writing emails to friends and family and posting on online forums can help sharpen your typing as skills and your increase the speed. Regular breaks while practicing is a key to improving your typing speed. Make sure to take breaks as needed. If you push yourself too hard, you run the risk of the wearing yourself out, or even worse, the suffering an injury such as a carpal tunnel syndrome. When you start to feel any discomfort in your hands or wrist, stop typing for a little while to give yourself a time to rest. Here are some as a important point related to the body postures and related to the some your health while typing, keeps your eyes on the screen. Your natural instinct may be to look down at the keyboard as you are typing. However, looking at the keys actually slows down your typing and increase the chance of the errors. So as you type, keep your eyes on the screen instead to use the technique known as a touch typing. You may see slight increase in errors when you first start using the method, but you'll quickly learn the layout of the keyboard and position of the keys, which will improve your typing. And online typing test you can. So if you want to see how efficient your typing is, you can use the variety of online typing tests to see how you are rated. In most cases, you will be asked to type a certain passage of text, and the website will time you to determine how many words per minute, means WPM, you type and how accurate your typing is. So these programs are an effective way to track your progress and as you work to improve your typing speed. Use the touch typing software and games. You will be able to type most quickly if you do it by feel instead of sight. That's why it helps to use the touch typing software to help refine your typing skills so you can work more quickly. They usually include helpful exercises and even fun games that can make increasing your typing speed more enjoyable. As a typing class, you can, if you have the desire to improve your typing speed on your own, they haven't seen the result, and then you may want to take a typing or keyboarding classes. Instructors can make sure that you know the proper finger positioning and the posture to type quickly and accurately. So these are some topics as related to write the accurately on by the keyboard here. Now we can talk about here the posture and positioning. To make sure your back is supported, means when you are typing, it is important to choose a chair that provides proper support for your back. The best type of chair is one that features a slightly curved back rest, so it helps maintain your normal spine curvature. It also helps to use a chair that has a cushion built in near the bottom of the backrest to provide support for your lower back. You may prefer as a reclining slightly in your chair to help take pressure off your back. However, keep in mind that typing is a reclined positions may cause shoulder and neck strain. Moving your chair close to the desk can help alleviate some of that stress. If your chair doesn't have a built-in cushion for your lower back, so you can place a small pillow between your back and the chair for additional support. Relax your neck and shoulders as you sit in your chair to type. Make sure to keep your shoulders and neck relaxed. In most cases, you can accomplish this by sitting back against your chair's backrest. It will help support your neck and shoulders so you don't have to put stress on them to keep them straight. If you are not sure that your shoulders are relaxed, breathe in and out slowly. The position that your shoulders naturally fall in as you breathe out is usually relaxed. Keep your elbows close to your eyesight. As you get comfortable in your desk, chair, check that you are keeping your elbows tucked into your sides. You may want to use the chair that the adjustable arm rests that make it easy to keep your elbows comfortably at your sides. You don't have to use your chair armrest if you don't want to. Just make sure that your elbows remain close to your sides even without the added support. Place your feet flat on the floor. Once you are settled on your chair, it helps to sit up straight with your feet planted flat on the floor so your lower body is supported. Crossing your legs or folding one underneath you make it more difficult to maintain proper posture. If you have the chair with adjustable seat, adjust the height until your feet comfortably reach the floor. If your chair doesn't have an adjustable seat, you may want to purchase an ergonomic footrest, and that makes it easier to keep your feet in a flat position. Keep your wrist and palms off the desk. When you are typing, you will be able to work more quickly and accurately if you avoid resting your wrist or palms on the desk or other surface that your keyboard is on. Keep them elevated, but don't bend them up or down because that may cause discomfort. Instead, keep your wrist in a natural position with your thumb in a line with your forearm and your wrist slightly bent back so they are level with the keyboard. These are the students some points that are make you easier to typing on the keyboard, and this way we can increase and can be practice for the typing as a QWERTY keyboard also. As I told you, how can we keep our fingers, as these are the some guidelines to related to your writing the keys, writing by the keyboard here. Some the postures we have to follow, some rules we have to follow while writing and typing by the keyboard. So I think student, you will read this session as given the user experience, you will find many things related to the typing, and this will make increase your speed of typing by the keyboard of computer. Okay student, thank you for watching this video.